Welcome to Factful Finance, where we're all about helping you take control of your financial future. Imagine waking up every day on your own terms, free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to growing wealth without a 9-to-5 job. So get ready to unlock the secrets of creating wealth on your own schedule. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The apps, tools, or products we mention are not endorsements. Please consult a professional for personalized advice that suits your unique financial situation. Now let's get into it. First, let's bust a myth. You don't need a traditional job to build significant wealth. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs, investors, and side hustlers have shown that with the right strategies, you can grow your wealth outside of the standard 9-to-5 grind. The key? Diversifying your income streams, leveraging your time, and making smart financial decisions. Let's break it down. Step 1. Embrace multiple income streams. Think of your income as a river. If that river dries up, you're left with nothing. But when you have multiple streams, your wealth continues to flow. Start by exploring different ways to earn money on the side. This could include freelance work, starting a small online business, or investing in stocks and real estate. Each of these can contribute to your overall financial picture. Take James, for example. James worked a regular job for years but decided to try his hand at freelance writing. Within a year, he built a client base that earned him more than his day job. His extra income was then funneled into a diversified investment portfolio. That's what multiple streams of income look like in action. Step 2. Build a sustainable passive income. Passive income is the holy grail of wealth building. This is money you make without constant effort. Think dividends from stocks, rental income, or royalties from a book or product you've created. It may take time to build, but once it's set up, it can work for you while you sleep. Let's look at Olivia, who started investing in dividend-paying stocks and real estate. Over time, she built up a stream of passive income that now pays for her lifestyle. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and strategy, it's highly effective. Step 3. Invest like the pros. Building wealth without a 9-to-5 requires you to be a smart investor. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending or cryptocurrency, make sure you're investing in a way that aligns with your goals. The stock market, for example, has historically offered high returns, but it requires a strategy to minimize risk. Liam learned this lesson the hard way. After putting his savings into a high-risk venture without doing enough research, he lost a significant amount of money. But after that setback, he turned things around by educating himself on diversification, spreading his investments across various asset classes to protect himself from volatility. The lesson? Do your research, invest wisely, and stay patient. Step 4. Learn to leverage your skills. The gig economy is booming, and it's easier than ever to turn your expertise into a profitable side hustle. Whether you're a graphic designer, web developer, or even a fitness trainer, you can find clients online, set your rates, and work on your own schedule. Take Sophia, who started teaching yoga classes on Zoom. With a small initial investment in marketing, she quickly grew her client base and was earning a full-time income within just a few months. Sophia capitalized on her skills and turned them into a thriving business. No 9-to-5 job required. Step 5. Automate and optimize your finances. The wealthiest people aren't just working hard, they're working smart. Automation is a key tool in this process. Setting up automatic savings and investments means you're constantly building your wealth, even when you're not actively thinking about it. For example, Benjamin set up an automated transfer from his checking account to a high-interest savings account and another to his brokerage account for monthly investments. Over the years, these automated actions accumulated wealth without him lifting a finger. Step 6. Keep learning and stay adaptable. The road to growing wealth without a 9-to-5 job isn't linear. There will be bumps along the way, and you'll need to keep learning and adapting. Whether it's through books, podcasts, or talking to mentors, always stay informed about new opportunities and strategies. Harper kept an eye on emerging trends like e-commerce, cryptocurrency, and digital marketing. By staying ahead of the curve and continually educating herself, Harper diversified her portfolio and built a substantial income outside of her traditional job. Real-world takeaways. Start with 1 or 2 side hustles, then scale them up over time. Invest in assets that provide passive income, like real estate or dividend stocks. Automate your savings and investments so wealth grows without constant effort. Keep learning and adapting to new trends and opportunities in the market. Remember, building wealth outside of a 9-to-5 job is a marathon, not a sprint. But with persistence, smart decisions, and the willingness to adapt, you can set yourself up for financial independence. So what's your first step towards growing wealth without a 9-to-5 job? Share it with us in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. Thanks for watching Factful Finance. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more actionable financial advice to help you reach your goals. And if you're looking for more strategies on wealth building, I think you'll find the next video on screen just as helpful. Until next time, keep taking control of your financial future.